Liquidity sweep, IFVG, stop out. IFVGs are great entry models, but as we see in this situation above, they don't always work. The market doesn't care about your IFVG. What it cares about is context and reasoning behind a trade. I call this three-part process DDE. Let me explain to you what that means. The first D stands for draw. Draw in the market refers to engineered sell-side liquidity or buy-side liquidity, but for the case of going short, we're looking for engineered sell-side that hasn't yet been taken. The second D stands for delivery. This is our reaction factor causing the market to move. This is typically a liquidity sweep paired with an FVG reaction. Finally, we have entry. This is where the IFVG comes in. Once we have our draw and we have our delivery, only then should we look for an FVG to be inverse to actually enter the move. Let's take a look at another setup and see if we can tick off those three factors. First, we have draw in the form of relative equal lows. As you can see here, the market did come down and try to sweep this low, but it failed to do so. So this is a really strong draw pulling price down. Now I'm looking for delivery, which we got here with a high of day sweep. The market failed to displace above this prior high and instead reacted negatively. This is our delivery factor. Finally, I see here that we inversed a 1-minute bullish FVG on this candle. This is our last confluence, and this is when an IFVG is useful. I'm going to calculate my risk reward with a stop at this swing high and a target of that last low. But I do want to be mindful of the fact that we have a fresh bullish 1-minute FVG here, and I don't know how price is going to react, so I'm going to go break even here. Let's see how the trade plays out. We've tapped that FVG and we haven't closed below it yet, so I'm going to put my stop at break even. And not long after, price takes out all of those lows. This is a complete setup. Next time you're considering taking an IFVG, check to see if we have those other factors first. If you guys want my free 12-page IFVG trading guide, just comment DDE and I will send that to you in your DM absolutely free of charge.